Ganun ang mga sports tape eh. Yung lalo yung pantay mo.
Forces out, beginning nicely at the start. Extreme power. Moving up in the middle. Shibum, Danori inside as time goes by. Dash McCall comes next and Pristine Water in that order. And going along for the first turn, we have Extreme Power by about 2 lengths. Shibum is right behind in second. Danori inside as time goes by. Pristine Water moving up on the outside to take fourth. And Cash McCall now in behind them as they settle down the bank. And it's still Extreme Power by about 3/4 of a length lead. And on the outside, Shibum, Pristine Water in third. Cash McCall now moving up down the inside to take fourth. And as time goes by, now running in lens. Approaching the fourth turn, Extreme Power still in control by Oralenga Hepa. Shibum remains in second. Coming closer now into this Cash McCall. Pristine Water throws back in for last time goes by in fifth. And it's still Extreme Power by about 3 lengths. Cash McCall now moving up to take second while Shibum drops back in third. Last 75 meters. And it's still Extreme Power by about 3 lengths, followed by Cash McCall, Shibum once again, and finally Extreme Power. Second, Shibum, Cash McCall as time goes by, and Pristine Water.